There are nods to your Irish and Nigerian roots within your
Yes.
music as well. And there are so many musicians now from the Black Irish community that are emerging. How does it feel to be part of that wave of music? Like, how exciting.
I'm like, finally, you guys are seeing us. Yes, we are here, you know? There's so many of us. And even the ones that are emerging and the ones that I grew up, like, working with, like, so phenomenal. The genres, you guys have not even heard half of it yet. There's so much more that's going to come out in the woodwork as the year goes by. But I'm grateful to be part of it. I'm glad that the conversations are being evolved around it. I'm glad that people are having showcases, that people are able to watch them. And I think one thing that's important for me is being able to kind of share that dichotomy of like being also Irish and also Nigerian. Yeah, like I like expressing myself. And I think I've always gone through some form of like identity crisis, especially being thrown in Tullamore in the country, in the Midlands, figuring out who I am. But yeah, it took a lot of like self-acceptance, but like knowing that other people can see me and feel like they can do what I'm doing, or even singing in Irish, because I did that over the Christmas. Like those are just all parts of my stories. Like all of this like nature and nurture, it all makes me who I am, you know?
Wow. And are there similarities between aspects of Irish culture and Nigerian culture that you've recognized?
About this one. Well, I know everyone likes to joke about like the old Irish mammy and all that. Like, but I think Nigerian moms, whew, they're up there. They're up there. Oh yeah. Oh, they're great though. They just want the best for you, you know. You know that like whole like that schooling where they're like, listen to me now, like that kind of thing. But with a Nigerian mom, it's like you have to listen. There's no buts. There's no ifs. You do the thing.
But when did you realize you could sing?
I think I've always known I could sing, but it was when I was 10 years old that a vocal coach came in into like my primary school called Schoolwara in Tullamore. And she got everyone to sing happy birthday. And then I sang happy birthday. She's like, oh my God, wow, your voice. And I was like, oh, I didn't know I could sing like that. You know, family tells you can sing, but when someone else is like, wow, you can sing, you're like, oh, maybe I can sing. But I started doing a lot of competitions just so that I could like kind of assure or validate that I could sing. And then after leaving Tullamore, because they were like, you're too good, you're not allowed to do competitions here anymore. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll go to Dublin then. And then I won a competition in Dublin, a gospel competition. And then after that, it was like, I got the experience of writing myself and then producing or co-producing. So it kind of developed itself bit by bit each year. So that was nice.
Okay. You committed what most parents would call a mortal sin because you had a really good high-tech job. You were studying in Trinity. And you gave it up to pursue a music career. So, and it really has been incredible. You've gone on to be the biggest, highest charting solo female ever on the Irish homegrown chart. I mean, that's something to brag about.
Oh, it's a blessing.
But this has all happened really in the last couple of years. So have you had time to take it all in? Has it sunk in?
It hasn't sunk in, but I do have huge dreams. I tell you now, my dreams are huge. The things that I want to do are huge.